That has accepted.
It's okay now?
Yeah. I can wait for you, no? Don't worry.
It's still broke?
You see the Dream US. Like the US sells a huge dream to people out here.
Yeah.
When people die, they wanna go to the US.
Yeah. I think that this is their sewer.
Yeah?
That's their sewer system.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Belize! Very careful where you're stepping.
I think when we get to the market, I want to break out my camera and take some pics.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just do some photography.
Even here, I think you can.
Yeah.
I don't think like somebody will really like come to us like, oh, give us this camera.
in the middle of the day.
Yeah. Then that must be like a real hardcore gang, you know?
Yeah.
Yo no sé ni algo de acelerar.
Inside.
The people here that look like Jamaican.
This bag is the perfect size for my wrist.
For,
You can't just take it
oh,
off.
oh, yeah.
Try it?
Yeah, you can. And always carry two. See the streets?
How long does the battery last?
Yeah, this thing is strong. Maybe 6 hours non-stop recording.
2019 is making its second stop to the Twin Towers, Santa Elena Calle. Our agents, L3Gs and Associates, will be at the CP gas station on the George Rice Highway in Santa Elena from April 12th, 2019. R15.
You hear it's in English. Everything is in English. Yeah. You see, everything is US store. US
They
store.
want to look like
American.
yeah.
That's how the US has brainwashed people. Like everybody is dying now to go there because people feel like if they buy those, they are elite.
Yeah.
Even that guy is wearing like Lakers and
Yeah.
shit.
Yo si nos casamos quiero que...
So here we go up because We've arrived. The market is right there. Oh, you are here? You are here before?
No, I see the market where.
Thank you.
I see the tents.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, you told, you know? Me, I'm right here, like.
Do you think you might go to Asia?
Yeah, this year. From I think September, and I'm even up to Christmas, like, you know. I may spend
Stay
there.
a long time.
I may spend there whole December. Shopping. Boys are always boys. They wanna take control.
Let's go, you think
Here's where I shave this thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this place. For $5.
Wow, good. 5 US?
Yeah.
That's good. I like to get my hair cut in Colombia.
Oh.
They do a very good job.
Yeah, they are like dedicated.
Yes.
If they are shaving you, they shave you.
Yes. They put the cream.
Everything, man. Yeah, if they are doing it, they are doing it.
It's like old school, like they did in the 50s and 60s.
Oh, yeah, in
The
Colombia.
old barber shops.
Yeah.
Do people ever like food videos? No?
I try, but people don't watch
Yeah.
them. You know.
Not very interesting.
But you might find one or two people asking me to do food videos. Like, hey, we're going to that market. My taxi driver was around. I should show him a video in the internet.
Where did the bus bring you to? Downtown?
Here. That's the bus stop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So we go, let's wait, then we go that way. Yeah, keep this way. So this is the market here. I think I need to start a video on its own about this market.
Yeah.
This way, yeah. Okay. So now, okay. It's look, no. So, gay no. Okay. That's scary. So it's easy, just look. I'm just looking. Actually, it's not. I should buy some more. So as you see, in the evening, nothing much really goes on. So I realized during the day there are too many people, but in the evening it's more chill. The streets are more calm. Nothing is really like going on. Yeah. So that is it, you know. So I'm just walking around with the Osmo. I'm looking for a place to... I want to buy some more. So in the evening, it's just very casual, very chill, calm. Streets are more empty as you see, so nothing much really is going on. Yeah, I don't know, maybe that could mean maybe things are not so okay here.
Or that side.
Some shops close really early. I think I buy some.
ระหว่างตัวเบียร์เบียร์ได้ไหม
Everybody's some water. I can see water. Hey, where is cold water?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, they have small waters, but I wanna take like 3 of them. I wanna pick 3 of this. Okay.